Hi, hello. If you're anything like me, you're generally very hungry and you don't have a lot of time to cook. That's why I'm very excited for this particular recipe, the vegan Philly cheesesteak. So I've already got my pan over here on medium to high heat with some olive oil in there. I've already rinsed some of my peppers right here. I've got a poblano and a green bell pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these here into thin pieces. Strips, if you will. Okay, now that I've got these sliced and diced up very nice, I will add them to my pan and cook them for about 6 to 8 minutes. We're gonna caramelize them. We're gonna stir periodically as well. Don't forget that. Fantastic. My peppers have cooked for about 6 to 8 minutes. Like I said, I stirred, believe me. Now we're gonna add our garlic, our salt, and our pepper. Mix that up here. And we'll push the peppers to one side. Now, while those peppers are over there minding their own business on their side, we're gonna add the seitan on the other side. Now, lucky me, this seitan is already cut into thin strips. You wanna do some research when you're buying your seitan as well. This brand here is not the case, but a lot of times the seitan can be a little chewy. It's not enjoyable. So do your research, find what you like, find the good stuff. This one here was great, so I recommend it. You could probably tear this up a little bit, really. I may do that. Now let's talk about seitan. Seitan is a wheat gluten. A wheat gluten is a food made from gluten, the main protein of wheat. It is made by washing wheat flour with water until all the starch granules have been removed, leaving the sticky, insoluble gluten as an elastic mass that can be cooked before eaten. Now that this seitan is in here, we'll add our salt, pepper, and a little bit of soy sauce. We'll mix this all up. We'll let this cook for not too long. The seitan doesn't take long, about 2 to 4 minutes. Another nice thing about this particular seitan is that it's pre-cooked. Literally, you just have to heat it up. That's all. You can microwave it, whatever your journey is. Now, I will say, if you're a normal human being, you should probably put onions in here. I bet it would taste delightful. Particularly, I don't care for onions. I'm sorry. Now that that's had some time to cook, we'll add our cheese. I've got some provolone slices here. And you can toss these, just kind of wherever. Spread them out a little bit. We'll leave these on here just a little bit to get them to melt onto that. Vegan cheese does take a little bit longer to melt than normal cheese, but don't let that scare you. Don't do it. Your boy here used to love cheese, and this stuff here, it's not half bad. While that cheese is melting, we can hollow out our hoagie or roll, whatever you've got. This might be kind of hard to find. This one here's got sesame seeds on it. Not really into that, but that's what I could find. They didn't contain milk or egg or any of that other nonsense. So if you can find a French loaf or whatever you can find, just be creative. I guess I gotta manually cut this one in half. Great. Okay. So we'll cut this down the middle, right in half there. That's magical, that's magical. And we'll wanna hollow it out. I've never done this before. Maybe you could use a spoon, maybe there's some kind of hollowing tool. I don't know, I'm not aware of that. What I'm gonna do is just pinch this crap out of here. Don't take too much. You can save this bread for whatever. Maybe you like soup. I like soup. This is just so we can fit that stuff in here and have it look presentable. You don't wanna look like a damn caveman. Maybe your friends like bread, you could just give them some of this. Okay, now you would never know, but check that out, that's great. Our cheese is pretty well melted. We're gonna add that to the hoagie. Wow, now that is a cheesesteak I would take home to my mother. Thank you so much for watching my video. As always, please like and subscribe and share the love. I'll have some more videos coming up very soon. Thank you.